E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixa um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade Discord. Participem aí da Twitch. E hoje, galera, nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. A última parte que nós parou. O Horn. Nós vamos direto aqui a salvar o John Marston da prisão, sabe? Da cadeia. Esse é o prosseguimento aqui, a continuação do modo história. Vamos lá. Vamos lá. Ai. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Vou esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Vamos lá. Uhum. Amanheceu.
Morning, Arthur.
On more.
You doing all right?
What is going on with you all? You're acting like children.
Mr. Pearson.
Morning.
Mr. Pearson. Mais um dia aqui no acampamento.
I was hoping you'd come around the campfire.
Reverend. Morning.
Morning, Arthur.
Come on, you can do better than that.
How many times are you gonna say hello?
Hey, I'm only trying to improve the mood a bit.
You're treading a thin line, my friend.
Vamos ver aqui. Coisa rapidão. Quando o dia amanhece. Caramba.
Josiah?
Another morning.
Onde que é a missão principal? Deixa eu ver. Pra resgatar o John da prisão. Ah, é aqui, ó.
Hi, Reverend.
Hello.
Susan.
See if we can get through a morning with no argument.
Good morning.
You okay?
You're too desperate to leave, ain't you?
Mr. Morgan, I'm on your side.
Charles?
Let's hope for a better day.
How are you holding up?
I feel I should be asking you that.
Trelawney?
Hello, old boy. Rest your bones.
That's the best you've got?
I already gave you my best hello.
Sorry. Just feel like I need to shake things up around here.
Vamos lá. Vamos na missão do John.
Long day.
Morning.
Down to the scraps here now, Mr. Morgan.
If only it was in better condition. Let's see what we can get for it.
It all counts, Pearson.
Good job, Arthur. Many thanks, Mr. Morgan.
Vamos lá. Tá na área.
Yeah.
Tem que passar por Van Horn também, ver o que tem.
You got that cousin killing some.
Desgraçado. desgraçados. Mais uma armadilha dos mortos.
Alright, boy. Yeah. Easy. Yeah.
Toma aí, canalha. Ah, tem missão aqui.
Yeah. Hey, move it.
Tem um farol aqui. Qual cidade é? Ah, Van Horn. Deu uma hora, eu vou voltar aqui. Sai da minha frente, seu idiota!
Here.
Que idiota! O cara não sai da minha frente, velho.
Yeah. Easy there. Yeah.
Uma cobra aí, legal.
What? Yeah. You goddamn maggot. Easy, easy.
Prisão em Sisika. Vamos resgatar o John Marston. Peraí. Vamos lá.
There we go. Slow up now. Okay, fella. Yep.
Quem que deve estar aqui é a...
Thing is, Sadie, I really can't. I must come. He's my husband.
I know he's your husband, but it's gonna be... Well, it's gonna be violent.
Ah, a senhorita... A Sadie e a
I
Abigail
can
tá
handle
lá, né?
myself just fine. I'm coming.
Like I said, ain't happening. You got a boy.
I insist.
Insist all you like. Ain't happening. Arthur,
Mas não
tell
vai
her.
acontecer, e aí?
She ain't coming with us to collect her husband.
Abigail
Horários de
ain't coming,
visita.
that's the end of the
Ah,
matter.
See, there you heard him.
agora
Now
que a
let's
gente
go.
já...
But nothing. It'll be quicker and easier with just the two of us. Plus, John will be calmer without worrying about you. Ain't complicated.
Well, I ain't the crying sort, but
What?
I'm real grateful.
Yeah, we know you are. We'll bring him back to you.
Vamos lá pra prisão em Sisika.
Thank you.
Vamos resgatar o
Thank
John.
you both.
All right, here goes nothing. The place is surrounded by marshland. Should hopefully give us a bit of cover to move in close enough to find a spot and look for John. This time of day, prisoners will probably be working the fields.
Then all we gotta do is take out all the guards and row our way out of there. Seems simple enough.
How many times, Marston?
Vamos resgatar o Marston de novo. Olha lá, é em volta de uma ilha. Legal a prisão.
Okay, bring us over. We good? Listen, get for that watchtower.
Okay.
Stay low.
Deixa eu ver, a gente chegou na prisão. Chegamos na ilha. Da hora, cara. Primeira vez que eu venho na ilha aqui.
There's a guard up there.
I'll deal with him.
Okay, I'll follow you up.
Tá com a arma do boy, calo. Uma torre de vigia.
All right. Where's John?
Grab that rifle. You can use the scope.
Hey, I think I see him. There's a group in front of that barn, just to our right.
Oh, yeah. I see 2 guards.
Ah, tem um grupo dele.
Take them out, and let's go get our boy.
Okay.
Take the shot, Arthur. Wait, shit! I don't think that was John.
Let's go over there and see.
Okay, come on. I think one of those guards was still moving.
Não é o John ainda? Oh não, soaram uns alarmes.
Will you hurry up? Come on, Arthur. Let's keep moving.
Where is he? You see him?
No,
Cadê ele?
you, Mister.
Você?
You know John
Moço.
Marston?
Ele não está.
Put
Oh,
the
guarda.
gun down, lady.
No. You put the gun down.
Ah, baixa a arma. Fizemos de refém.
Where's John Marston?
He ain't in the work detail today.
Okay, well, I guess we'll go and get him together.
Ele não tá hoje nos campos.
Try anything and I'll blow your damn head off. You clear on that?
Yes, very clear.
Oh, no, you don't.
Cadê o John Marston? Vai.
Come on, partner. Why don't you apologize to the lady for pointing a gun at her?
Excuse me?
I said apologize.
I'm sorry, man.
Ain't no harm done.
So, where do we go?
Vamos.
Towards the entrance, I
Mostra
guess.
onde tá o John.
Who's in charge
Cadê
of
ele?
this?
Ah, tá na penitenciária Sisika.
Fine establishment.
Mr. Jameson? Sir?
Jameson? Heston Jameson?
Yes. Not his brother, Archibald. He owns the mine. Up at Ansburg.
My God, what a family.
Yes. He's been quite an exacting boss at times.
I'm sure.
They're not gonna let you do this.
It's gonna be up to you, my friend. So, you a popular employee, my friend?
Not especially.
Well, I guess we're about to find out.
Nada especial.
Come on, march him straight up to the front gate.
You better hope
O portão
someone
da
in there
frente da
actually gives
penitenciária
a damn
Sisika.
about this fool.
Guess we'll see. We're gonna have to shoot our way out of here regardless.
Don't shoot!
Okay, friend, be cool now. Just do as I say.
Put the weapons down, now!
Cadê o nosso John? Cadê o amigo John Marston?
Jameson!
Jameson!
Is Jameson in?
Jameson está.
They got Milliken!
Got him and gonna kill him. Unless you bring me John Marston. Right now.
Entrega o John Marston.
You got 1 minute.
Vocês têm minuto.
1, 2,
2.
Milliken, is it?
Yes, sir.
Will you count for me? I got
Sim,
talking
senhor.
to do.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Sim, senhor, é claro, senhor.
From 1 or 4?
Oh, very funny. No, we must be at 11 by now.
11, 12,
12,
Faster.
13, olha lá.
Now hurry up.
Aham, tá comendo. Anda, vai
This poor
logo.
fool's gonna get his brains shot out.
Este
Number
pobre
1,
coitado.
for nothing. Milliken, don't stop counting. I can't hear you.
Não para de contar, não consigo.
asshole out here, you bastards. Come on.
Vamos
Don't
lá,
cry,
seus amigos.
buddy. I don't wanna die. Yeah, I know.
Dai.
Hey. Hey.
Ó, o John tá lá.
You too? Now, no funny business.
Ah, libertamos o
Mr.
John.
Milliken here and stop crying once and for all. Okay, today's your lucky day. Let's go.
It's clear reason to make a run for.
You're gonna die, right?
Esse olho vai falhar agora.
Here comes the more! Get down!
Been a while, John.
You're telling me? What took you so long?
I'll explain later.
The balloon?
Yeah, believe me, that was my one and only time flying.
Fellers, time to go.
Look out on the left! Coming from the board!
Ponte de guarda.
Okay, go.
Find some cover.
Nossa, eu preciso de um remédio. Quanto antes?
We gotta move!
Vamos, corre.
You always seem to need rescuing, Marston.
Nice to see you, Arthur.
There's some fellas coming here, don't look too friendly. We best get out of here.
Come on, boys, let's move. I'll roll. You shoot.
Seriously?
Let me. You're a better shot.
Right, fine. You just
Ainda não
relax
estamos
and
a
enjoy
salvo, né?
yourself, John. Leave the real work to them and can still handle it.
Thanks.
Keep them off us.
Can't do that, fellas.
Thanks for the...
Aí, isso. Caraca, eu fui um
You know, I think I liked you better when you was all trussed up like a prize chicken.
No doubt.
Hurry
Ah,
up.
sem dúvida.
They're gonna be on our tails soon
Vamos,
enough.
vamos.
You boys keep wasting time.
That's us told them.
A tuberculose do ar também tá avançando.
Hey, Arthur. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Obrigado, tem. Não há de que.
Let's go.
Vamos.
We should get out of here quick before the law gets wind of this.
Sempre o John precisa ser resgatado, né?
So what the hell happened in Saint Denis? Is Abigail all right?
She's fine. Jack is too. She managed to escape when they got Hosea.
Quantos dias o John ficou preso? Uma semana ou mais, né?
That still don't seem real somehow. All them years. Arthur. He was like family.
Yeah, we lost young Lenny too.
No. What a
Não,
goddamn
que bagunça que
mess.
dos diabos.
And did we... What about the money?
Lost somewhere at the bottom of the ocean.
What? How the hell did that happen?
We hit on a boat. It was the only way out of there. The boat went down in a storm and we ended up stranded on an island somewhere near Cuba.
Cuba?
Em Cuba. Ah, tá resumindo todos os acontecimentos do
You're gonna
episódio
have to
passado.
tell me all this again.
It's a long story, but things ain't been good, John.
You're telling me?
We're holed up now in the mountains to the north, near Roanoke Ridge, and some caves there. The Pinkertons caught up with us again, and we hadn't moved.
Yeah. Seems Molly ratted us out, the bitch. So she's dead too.
Jesus. Maybe you should have just left me to hang.
Ó, Jesus.
And I should warn you, Dutch didn't want us breaking
O
you
Dan não queria
out.
que a gente tirasse
Said
pra...
it wasn't the right time, so might not be the hero's welcome you're imagining.
So much for no
Ah,
man
tá falando, né,
left
o
behind.
Dutch.
I can't stop thinking about this. In the bank, when they grabbed me, he saw it.
Banco.
Felt almost like he had a moment to do something and didn't.
Dutch ain't himself right now. Or maybe he just ain't who we thought he was.
Guess we don't need to worry about who's his favorite no more.
Yes, not.
É, acho que não. É isso aí. Gastei de perder o chapéu, parece. Chegamos. Como vai ser a recepção do
You
Dutch?
brought him back to me. We told you we would.
God! What are you doing here?
It's good to see you too, partner.
I meant I hadn't sent for you yet.
I will.
Ah, eu
I
fui.
said that.
I
Mas
know
eu
what you
disse
said.
que... É, eu sei o que você disse.
I felt different.
Mas eu discordei.
So,
É mesmo?
yes. And when
Isso.
Spring and John
E quando o
bring
resgate
the
John
law down on
trouxer as
all of
autoridades
us,
pra cima
what
de
then,
nós,
Arthur?
Well, I guess we'll have another fight on
eu acho que então teremos outra luta nas nossas mãos.
Loyalty, Arthur. It
Lealdade, Arthur. O Dutch tá falando.
I had a goddamn
Tinha um monte de plano.
John, John.
John. Oh,
You
John,
are
olha
my
lá.
brother. You are my son. I was
Esse é meu filho. Eu
coming
ia
for
te
you.
salvar.
It was talking of hanging me, Dutch.
They was talking. They
Estavam falando. Estavam
talking.
falando Dutch. Olha lá.
And now they may come and hang us all.
O grupo. Você vê que a gangue tá meio dividida já. Ó. É notável, né? Esse servo aí, galera, eu vou explicar pra vocês. Quando o John tá com boa honra, aparece o servo. Quando a gente tá com uma honra, aparece um lobo.
Arthur! Arthur!
Arthur.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, desculpa.
I was miles away. Thinking of, I don't know.
Dutch said to tell you he and Mike have gone to Annisburg. Something about Mr. Cornwall.
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 Thanks, Mary Beth.
Ok.
Hi, Mary Beth.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, Arthur.
Tilly.
Hi.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi.
Mr. Morgan?
Hey, Karen.
Hey.
Where's Kane? Has anyone seen Kane? Where's Kane? Miss Grimshaw, have you seen Kane?
Oh, no, son, sorry I haven't. I'm sure he'll turn up, though. He's a wanderer.
I'm really worried. Kane! Come on! Kane! Kane!
Javier.
Are you feeling all right, Arthur?
Goddamn traitors. You were nothing but a street rat when he found you. He believed in you when no other son of a bitch would.
Oh, John tá.
Mr. Morgan, you don't look very well.
I'm not, Reverend. I fear I'm pretty sick.
I'm so sorry.
You seem well, on the other hand?
Yes, I've stopped all that silly business. I think I'm okay.
Well, that's wonderful news. How?
I don't know. I met a Catholic lady, a nun, and we prayed, and it was lifted. The curse was lifted.
Good.
I can't believe it. Really, I can't. All those years I wasted.
E aí, John, também?
What the hell was that about?
Bill, being too dumb to see the woods for the trees?
He's just taking it hard, I think. He's too dumb to see it for how it is.
He's loyal. I'll give him that.
Loyal and stupid. Okay. Guess I'll see you later then.
Yeah.
Arthur?
You okay, Arthur? Sit down. Please.
Vou conversar com você. Vai lá.
I'm fine.
You don't look fine.
Well, I had some bad news.
Was it Mary?
No.
Well.
No, not exactly. It's me. I'm sick.
Sick?
Yeah. Might die.
Oh,
Oh, eu lamento.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Me too. Me too.
Maybe you'll get better.
I don't think so.
Then
thing is, since then, I've started seeing things differently. I don't know. The whole world seems
O mundo
different.
inteiro parece diferente, né, Arthur?
How so?
I can't explain it. Like,
Quase melhor, eu diria.
better, almost.
That a good thing?
I guess it is. Only sometimes I ain't doing the good thing.
Maybe it's a sign, Arthur. Try. Try to do the good thing.
I guess. Only it ain't always clear what that is. Not with the big stuff.
I know. Trust me, I know.
Obrigado, Berbete, pela conversa.
When are you serving that slop, Pearson?
Miss Grimshaw?
Hello.
Just leave it.
You're too dumb to understand what's going on, ain't you?
I don't want to hear it out of you, okay?
I try to explain,
What's your problem with me?
but it ain't even worth it.
Goddamn fool!
Arthur. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We ain't done yet, Abigail. Dutch seems.
To have lost his mind? And no.
Just be careful.
Então tá
I
enlouquecendo.
have to be careful. I have you as a friend.
Well, try to keep your head straight.
I guess.
Hey, hey.
Vamos dormir um pouco. Ah, prisão em Sisika, pendente já Sisika do alto. Eu e Sadie Edler. Ah, ok.
They accused 5 men of spreading rebellion and heresy. They took them into the streets, stripped them naked, castrated them, and fed them to the pigs, while the rest of the village was forced to watch. One of those men was my uncle. The other was a friend of my parents. Do you know what those men had done? They had suggested that the men of the village demand a fair wage from the local landowner. That, not that he share all that he had, just that he give enough that the people might live. Of course, Mexico could be a land of plenty. But the people
Sempre
with the
descobri ao
power
longo dos anos, mas comecei a me. O
they rather
Jack
kill than
é
share the smallest little piece. All my life, I think about this. Most people are thieves because they steal the lives and the hopes of others.
Ah, vou fazer essa missão do Wayne Lemios. Mais um dia.
John?
Another morning in paradise.
E aí, John, tá bem?
Any news?
Nothing you don't already know.
Okay, well, keep me posted.
Take care.
Time to go, boy.
Vamos sair por aí pelo mundo.
Yeah.
Y'all look a little lost.
De novo esse desgraçado.
Me and my brothers might be able to help you.
You warning me? Here's what happened.
Vou acabar com a sua corja. Faz uma armadilha. Tem que pagar esse contrato.
Whoa, now.
Estamos chegando perto do Rhodes. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Ah, é, tem a missão do povo da noite pra eu fazer. Nunca mais voltei aqui. Que missões temos aqui?
I thought I recognized you. Hello again. Run up the tab now, have we? I thought you were sweating a little.
Yep, that's the word is down.
Ah, não dá pra pagar recompensa, já sou procurado pelas autoridades.
Got some bills to pay, huh?
Thank you for your help. Come on now, boy.
You looking to set things up? Is that right?
Looking to sell your wares or buy some of the finest meat to ever grace this town? Appreciate it. Done and done.
Thank you. Good.
How can I help you? Make sure you come back tomorrow.
Vamos ver esse jornal aqui.
Right here.
Ah, portas de ferro abaixo. Presos fogem das masmorras de Sisika. Prisão em jaula de animais selvagens. Salas de ricos ouvidos a quilômetros. Fugitivos escapam em banco. A penitenciária de Sisika é uma prisão cheia de homens que mais se assemelham a animais selvagens. Vamos ver aqui. É coisa. O pânico precipitado que interrompeu. Um homem e uma mulher ajudaram na fuga de um criminoso. O diretor da prisão, Aston Jameson, disse que o prisioneiro escapou por um barco que estava esperando que levou. Entendendo seus cúmplices, Jameson afirma que antes do pânico um balão foi avistado no alto e agora acredita que ele ajudou na fuga. Vários homens acreditam na ilha. Acreditam que isso é um injusto, recebendo penas de vários anos por deserção durante a guerra. O número de mortos ainda é desconhecido, pois o horário, relatório e a contagem oficial ainda não foram elaborados pela polícia. Outro ficou capturado, fim do reino de terror. Pinkerton encontra um homem desaparecido. Quem quiser ler aqui, galera.
Well, been a while since you were last here. Take a look. Any questions, feel free not to ask.
Now, let's have a look.
Yours.
Tomar o tônico capilar, né?
Thanks, partner.
All right, bye then.
Vamos lá.
Thanks, mister.
Tenho dinheiro mesmo, profissões. Vamos lá. Vai. Peraí.
Thanks, partner.
I'll have my eyes on you every second you're in here, thief. So, what are you in the market for? Take a study.
Rifle anti-pragas, não.
Very nice.
Oh, I didn't expect to see you back here again. Listen, I'm real sorry for what happened. I was lost in my own head. It was very wrong. I see that now.
Ah, eu lembro desse cara aqui.
We've all kidnapped someone.
We have?
No, of course not.
Oh, yes. Very good. Well, moving on. How can I be of service? I checked the munitions before selling them. Won't get no jams or misfires.
Thank you. Let's go, boy. Gentlemen.
Hello, mister.
Hey, mister.
Hey, mister.
Welcome to Rhodes, friend. Just Rhodes.
Yeah, it's been some time. Welcome back from your journeys.
Ah,
How do you do?
What are you in the market? How do you do, sir?
Just give me a drink, quick.
Drink up. Another again? No fried catfish.
give me another one.
Yes.
Vamos passando nisso.
Hey, Sheriff.
Howdy.
You must need eyes in the back of your head. Anyway, I won't disturb you any longer.
Cadê aquele cara que tava procurando Kevin? Ah, tem a Penélope. Depois, uma hora, uma live eu vou fazer. Vou fazer a missão deles. Deixa eu voltar ao acampamento de Shadberry pra ver o que aconteceu.
Easy there.
Eles voltaram! Os saqueadores do demônio voltaram. Depois vamos voltar uma hora acabar com isso. Temos que voltar a lembrar que é fazer aquelas missões do proibido elementos.
What? You want
Vamos cuidar do nosso cavalo aqui.
Welcome to you and your horse. Got some room in the stable here. I'll give you a fair price. That's the same one I used too. I can't tell you how many times I used that one. Good choice. That's the same one I used too. Anything to keep the horses happy, right?
Que cavalo você tem aqui, só pra tipo de curiosidade? Tem uma missão aqui, ó.
What's the matter with you?
Easy.
Aqui é da irmã. Dinheiro para os pobres. Ah, irmã.
Hello, sister.
Caldeirão.
about you just the other day and hoping we would see you again.
How is Brother Dorkin?
Oh, he's quite
Ah,
well.
tô.
A little frustrated with the workings of our order. He keeps trying to be sent overseas, do something with more challenge, maybe be a missionary. He's a lovely man.
Sure.
And how are you?
Never better?
Are you sure?
Tem certeza?
Quite sure,
Tenho
sister.
certeza, irmão.
You know, a long time ago, I was like you.
I
Eu era
very
como você.
much doubt that.
Oh, I did terrible things, awful things. And I could not stop doing terrible things because I did not believe that goodness existed. And then one day, I saw that love did exist. And ever
O amor
since
existe
then,
de verdade.
doing bad things became, well, not impossible, but ridiculous.
I
Ridículo.
guess I'm just hoping for a dignified exit.
I shall pray for you.
Vou rezar por
I'm not
você.
a religious man, sister. I'm an outlaw.
Sou um fora da lei.
What fun. Religion is just a word. Hearts are rarely pure, but equally they are rarely impure either.
Well, that's an interesting way of putting it.
Conselho irmão Calder.
God is people and people are God, so we must all do what we can. These people are starving. Go find them some food. Don't worry so much about your heart. The actions will lead, and the heart follows. I'll still think of you in very nasty terms, as you wish.
You know what, sister? I think I've already got plenty of food on me. They could just eat mine.
You are wonderful, Mr. Morgan.
Now, that ain't true.
Oh, I meant wonderful, but
Valeu, irmão.
so very frightening. As you wish.
Hey there, mister.
Consider your good deed done for the day. I won't subject you to any more benevolence. Sister Ethel makes a fabulous stew. They will be so happy.
Ah, ok, irmão.
Well, anyway, I must focus on the work at hand. Goodbye, then. I have already taken up far too much of your time.
Hello. He took all my money.
Mister?
Mister?
Hey. Hey! Will you help a fella out? Come on. I know you got some money.
Get yourself some real food, huh?
Listen, you have to take this.
Ooh, that's real kind.
I lost my money playing poker. I know where a good game is.
Local de fotografia, vamos tirar foto.
Why are you doing this?
Hello.
So,
Yes. Welcome.
Ah, legal. Vamos tirar uma foto do Arthur doente.
Great. The Congo. Only stupid people will believe you have been there. There are actually bordellos around here we could go to if you'd prefer. Everyone will think you went to ancient Greece for this photograph. What fun! Ah, Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius.
Vamos lá, se pose.
The plantation is fine. Not too busy for a background. The plantation works. The trees make a decent...
Vamos ver, Social Club, ver fotos. Aí, ó.
Thank you. Hope it turns out looking somewhat human. Scare folk.
Uma foto para ficar de registro.
Watch yourself. Thanks. What?
Hello. Let's go. I've got places to be.
You okay, boy?
Vamos visitar o cara lá do bar.
Sorry, ma'am.
Finally, some fresh blood in this place.
Oh, yeah.
Come on over here, handsome, and amuse me some. Now, ain't
No.
you one of them boys that runs with that Dutch Vanderland? I'd sure like to hear all about your exploits.
Is that right now?
Oh, I know a spot where we can go where we won't be overheard.
Nossa, cara, isso é inédito, hein?
Fine. This way, come on.
Nossa.
That lead outside?
Come on, honey. Not much further.
A lady with a good plan, I see.
And here we are.
Good girl. That's
Ain't
it.
nothing personal. You shouldn't have come back to Saint Denis.
After what you did to Bronte, you got a whole lot of nerve showing.
Tome com fome.
He's
É uma armadilha.
Damn it. I thought I was done with these fools by now.
Caraca, mano. É um evento aleatório.
At my age, I've seen everything.
I knew Daisy had a temper, but that looks something special. Well,
Daisy, o nome dela.
guess it's nothing a drink can't fix. Next one's on me, feller.
O Bronte já morreu. Eles queriam vingança. Nossa.
Offer's still good, friend. The good stuff, too.
Thanks.
And there you go. That'll set you right, no doubt.
Even burn.
Caraca, velho.
This damn city.
Evening.
Matei os últimos homens do Bronze, né? É que nós tínhamos matado o manda-chuva aqui que manda em San Denis. Vamos fazer uma missão do Henry Lemios aqui. Deixa eu ver aqui, galera. Tem um jogo dominó aqui.
There, boy. Hey, friend.
Good evening, mister.
Hey, mister.
Good night, sir.
Ah, iniciou a missão. Quem lembra aqui a casa do prefeito Lemios? Vamos ver o que o prefeito quer. Tan.
Oh, it's you.
I got his letter.
Senhor Lemios. Segunda missão que nós vamos fazer, né?
Mr. Arthur.
Sir?
Education is the most wonderful thing. It'll raise us higher and higher. Make civics and ethics less a work of dirty-minded pragmatists like me. And the calling of higher, better men.
Hear, hear.
Without it, we are savages. But with learning, why, in 50 years, man will put down his guns and start living a life of relentless purity.
Hear, hear.
But the rich can be so very self-absorbed.
How can I help?
You can't.
We need all our strengths. That's the point.
E qual é a
We've
questão
gone
agora?
over this.
Violence is never right.
I agree with you. But it's not violence. It's the mere threat of violence.
Against whom?
Oh.
Contra quem?
Against Hector Fellow's worst nature.
Hector Fellow.
To convince him to make good on his promise to help finance the library.
Who is he and
Eu
where
tenho
do I
quem
find
estou
him?
aqui, quem é Hector Fellows?
And
He's leaving town on a coach, heading to his country estate because he doesn't like your heavy-handed approach.
Well, you certainly won't like my heavy-handed approach.
Thank you, Mr. Arthur.
You'll spot him on the road through the bayou. He has a red coach. So we are clear, I do not approve of this behavior.
Eu não aprovo esse comportamento. Eu tenho que convencer esse cara a financiar a biblioteca, né? Ah, entendi. Ah, está aqui na estrada. Tá amanhecendo também, né?
Stop the coach!
Who the heck are you?
Hey, hold it. I'm getting in. When I get in, you carry on.
Vamos lá.
What the hell do you want?
This Dr. Fellows, ain't it?
Senhor Farrow, não é?
And an appeal to your better nature.
This is most impudent.
Oh, no, it's not most impudent, trust me, buddy. I can get a whole lot more impudent, but this is a good cause for a wealthy man such as yourself. The chance to add some dignity to all that wealth.
Dignity?
By helping to
Riqueza,
finance the
ajudando a
life.
financiar a biblioteca.
Oh, get out of my carriage.
But the mayor?
Mayor?
O
The
prefeito.
mayor is a
Ah,
crook.
Me too. And I'm a real crook.
I will not be bullied by you, sir. Get out of here.
Hector Ferros.
Sorry, was that? Yes, I'd like
Sim,
to
eu consigo financiar a biblioteca para o bem de todos.
I didn't hear you. What was that? Please! All right!
All right.
There. You see?
Pronto.
Difficult. You know, they say it's better to give than to receive. And certainly in the case of Beaton, I know that's true. Now, the mayor awaits your check, sir. Been a
Seu
pleasure.
cheque, Senhor Ferros. Foi
There's a good
prazer.
man in there. Let him live a little more. Driver!
Condutor, olha lá.
As you were. Drive on! Come on, pal. Get up. Easy, easy.
Fizemos mais uma missão. Vamos salvar o modo história, né? O prefeito Lemos quer convencer um magnata da mídia, Hector Farrows, de que uma doação à sua nova biblioteca pública valerá a pena. Ei, ei. Vamos lá.
Easy, whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Time to go, boy. Yeah. There we go.
É que eu achei um bando de animais aqui que acha apenas, né?
Yep.
Vamos pra Fonhorn fazer aquela missão. Desconhecidos estranhos doidos. Vamos ver o que tem lá. Agora que fizemos uma missão do prefeito Lemios, vamos ver o que temos aqui em Van Horn.
Look out! Shit!
Almost shocked me, but I done seen it all by now.
Hello, sirs.
Might shock some folks.
Well, look at you.
Huh. That was new. Oh, that was something.
Hey, mister.
Morning, mister.
Nossa, a população aqui tá doente.
Howdy.
Primeira vez em Van Horn aqui.
Hey, fellers. Nice morning, ain't it, mister?
I ain't seen how. I don't know that it's all right.
Sure is some hard country around these parts. Well, good luck to you.
Bye, then.
You look like I feel.
And how's that?
Death. Or in my case, like dying.
Well, how's that for a welcome?
I'm sorry. How can I help you?
Carta do Deutório Levin. Quem que é? Carta do Deutório. Eu duvido muito que você leia as páginas lendárias, mas as histórias sobre a última aventura do boy Calloway foi uma sensação. O oeste selvagem pode ter sido domada, mas o apetite por histórias não. O livro, por óbvio, é péssimo, completamente torpe. A biografia lacrimosa de um homem terrível, mas está vendendo como água. E a melhor coisa, escrever sobre santos é que eles já morreram, graças ao Nosso Senhor. Ah, é o escritor que ajudei lá, o Tim Boy Calloway. Um sábio uma vez me disse que a alegria de ser pistoleiro é que sempre de ganhar. Ou você ganha a liberdade ou ganha a glória. Calloway pode ter a liberdade, eu terei a glória. Você pode ter a satisfação de saber a verdade por trás de uma mentira famosa. Ou talvez Calloway tenha a glória e eu tenho a liberdade. Não consigo me decidir. Seja como for, ele está morto. Obrigado de novo, meu senhor, e metade do lucro da disseminação dessas baboseiras é seu. Atenciosamente, escritor Teotólio Levin. Ah, que da hora. A novela de Empório Calloway, terminamos. Vamos pescar nessa região aqui para ver.
Okay.
Ok.
How's about this bait, I wonder?
Não acredito que não pega nenhum desses peixes.
Maybe.
Ué, o que esses peixes comem?
Hey there, partner.
Morning, sir. Which way's north?
Mister?
Shut your trap.
Come on, Bertram, please.
Bertram.
No. Bertram say no.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Friends for life, we said. And now the two of you have betrayed me at once. Do you know what betrayal means, Bertram?
No.
It means hurting Miss Marjorie. Well, I thought you liked me. I've clothed you. I've fed you.
Bertram.
Bertram does like Miss Marjorie.
Yes, and Miss Marjorie likes Bertram. So why don't you go and tell me where that nasty little Magnifico has run off to so I can
O
get
Magnífico
on with
fugiu.
whipping that snot-nose run into shape. He owes me. He owes us. Big time. Bertram and Marjorie. Would Bertram like a sherry?
Bertram like sherry.
Yes, he does. Barkeep, sherry. Make it the cheapest one you have. Rat piss will do. His pretty dance.
Bertram.
My sherry?
Just wait, he's making it.
Everything okay?
Imagine saving people, taking
Imagina
them to
salvar
your
pessoas,
breast,
né?
metaphorically,
O
I
cheiro de
mean,
tinta
like
e
a
óleo.
mother, caring and raising them, and then they go and stab you in the back.
Hã?
Have you ever betrayed a close friend? I hope not.
Well,
Treachery. And these are sad, low, unlovable people, and I made them stars, dreamers, entertainers, and they... Oh, no, now family's not enough. No, he's gone off alone.
É, ele foi
My
sozinho.
little tiny magician has gone and stabbed his mom on the back. Oh, fuckity.
Oh, shit. Oh, calma aí, Bertram.
Bertram! Woof, woof! Bertram! Put the nice
Bertram.
man down! Do something! You'll eat him!
Easy there.
Calma aí, calma. Easy.
Easy there! Sherry!
Bertram!
Sherry.
Easy, big guy.
Ouchie!
He's strong, all right.
No putting this off. Bertram. What are you waiting for?
Nice. Easy, boy. Let's make this quick. Well, you're not.
You don't stop that, Mommy will give you a spanking.
Mean. Bertram got a whoopsie.
Mister, I thought you was gonna deal with this.
Mean man. Your way.
Dad, Bertram.
No fair. Well, let's be friends, okay? Bertram hurt you. How did that feel?
Dear Lord, he'll be even more stupid.
Bertram ain't little man. No one likes a tantrum. Still think you're tough? You ain't much of a fan.
Come here, Bertram.
Vem cá, Bertram. Caramba, velho, ele é forte, hein?
Oh, yes, Marjorie's here. No one's gonna hurt you ever again.
Mama, you should keep that thing in a cage. You should think about who you're serving. Give me a beer, will you?
Don't worry, we'll pay for what we broke. Come here, Bertram.
Vem cá,
Oh, no
Bertram.
one looks after you like Mama does. No one cares for you
O cara é
like I
monstro.
do. Especially not that Magnifico.
But he's my friend.
Yes, well, if he were your friend, he'd be here, wouldn't he? He wouldn't have abandoned us. Oh, you wouldn't have gotten that whoopsie,
Bertram.
would you?
Whoopsie heart.
I know. Mama's gonna make it all better. But first, you gotta tell me where that little worm ran off to,
Bertram promised.
Bertram
Yes,
prometeu.
well, Magnifico made a promise too, huh? He made more than a promise. He made a contract and he broke it. So you just tell me exactly where he is, and then we will all be even. That's my boy.
Marjorie, esse é o meu garoto.
Camping in the woods.
Why didn't you tell me in the first place? You just apologized.
Eita, tá puxando o puxão de orelha.
I'm sorry.
Ai, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Desculpa.
You gave me a whoopsie. Hey, you just stay away from that sherry now, you hear? Bertram likes sherry.
Oh, don't you get him
nem
started.
começa
Thank you for all of your help, Mr. Stranger.
Senhor
If you see
forasteiro.
that slippery little fella sleeping rough out there, would you just make a little racket and then we'll come along and we'll find you?
I could try.
Posso
Oh,
tentar.
his name is Magnifico.
O nome dele é
You'll know
Magnífico.
him when you see him.
Ah,
Come along,
entendi.
Bertram.
Que shit, situação.
How am I supposed to ride home like this? How do you do?
Hello. I always say, manners cost nothing. You enjoy the rest of your day. Hi there, folks.
Morning, sir.
Hello, gentlemen.
Ah, legal, estão jogando o que aqui?
Hey, good to have you.
Vamos lá.
Put your beds down.
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's start. Beds are closed. Got a 12.
Quantos que eu tenho? 12.
Yep, card. Sorry, I went over. 15.
Nah.
10.
I'll double down on that.
14. A 19. 12. A 14. 20.
Shit, I was so close.
Foi uma vez que eu frequento o bar Van Horn.
Ain't got the funds to keep going.
Give me your bets. I'm done taking bets. Let's start the round. There's a 17.
I'll take a card.
Bust.
Unlucky there. Just be quiet.
16.
Give me a card.
19. A 15.
Card me.
A 17. 14.
Hit me.
Not too many.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ain't need no commentary here.
A 20.
You just hate to see that.
Quero ganhar uma vez isso aí, pelo menos.
Place your bets. All right, no more bets. We're about to start. Any insurance bets? That's a 13.
Double down.
A 19. 20. A 10.
Give me another.
There's a 17.
Not this time.
19. A 17. Okay, come
Ganhei
on.
36, aí sim.
Come on!
Well done, I guess.
Put your bets down.
Thank you.
Come back soon.
How about this?
Okay, no more bets.
Hey, folks.
Let's get started.
Howdy.
Y'all doing all right?
How do you do?
Hell, mister, you look like I feel. You all right?
Oh, hanging in there.
Well, have yourself a drink.
Give me something to drink, anything.
Boy's favorite whiskey.
You working at the mine then? Used to get quite a few of them boys coming in, especially after the saloon closed in Annesburg. But even they don't come here now. You know, things is bad when miners is passing up whiskey and whores. This damn place, why am I even talking to you?
Eat up. Good for your own heart.
Vamos voltar pro acampamento.
Out of the damn way.
Don't mind me.
Yep.
É quase 2 horas de gameplay já. Ah, já deu. Vamos ver aqui. É.
Squeal, little fella. I wasn't part of this. It was them.
Seus desgraçados.
Oh, you running for real now?
Ah, preparando outra armadilha pra mim? Seus merdinhas. Vamos lá.
Well, the quality's a bit lacking. We won't get much for it. This is going in the pot. Can't wait to taste this. Good job, Mr. Morgan. Uncle.
Mr. Morgan.
Oh.
Hello, Sadie.
Hey there.
Olha, vamos colocar essa roupa aqui no John.
Karen?
Smile, Arthur.
Vamos salvar aqui. Ah, eu estou fazendo um trabalho sujo para o prefeito Lemos, mais uma vez.
How you holding up?
Conheci, eu me meti numa briga com um gigante bêbado que tem uma cabeça severa, assim foi ele. Disse que eu visse ele mandaria o rapaz de volta para eles.
Why don't you sit a while, Arthur?
Galera, o negócio é o seguinte. Eu vou salvar o progresso. A próxima parte. E eu não vou dar continuidade ao modo história não. Em vez disso, eu vou fazer o seguinte. Tem umas coisas que eu deixei para trás, vou explorar o mundo. A próxima parte é igual... Vou explorar o mundo. Vou fazer essa missão aqui do Charlotte. Que ficou pra fazer o garoto elétrico, né? Não, tem a viúva Charlotte. Tem essa aqui, ó, do cara. Pra fazer, né? O garoto elétrico. E eu vou explorar essa área aqui, o Amparino. Que tem muitos segredos aqui, ó. Que eu deixei pra trás. Eu quero explorar essa região junto com vocês. Aqui, ó, tá vendo? Tudo essa região aqui, ó. Então, já vou deixando de antemão. Então é isso aí, galera. Peço para mais uma vez vocês deixarem o like. Não vai custar nada participarem da comunidade Discord. E a gente se vê então